Hi, I'm Dion from leavingcertmathsvideos.com. Now here we're asked to prove by induction that this term here is divisible by 9. So just step 1 is to assume that it's divisible by k. So assume true for n equal to k. Where k is just any number. So we just rewrite that as 5 power of 2k plus 1 plus 2 to the power of 4k plus 2. We're assuming that's true for divisible by 9. So then we have step 2. Prove true for n equal to k plus 1. N equal to k plus 1. So that's what we're going to do now. We're going to prove true for n equal to k plus 1. So we have a term here. So we just rewrite that. We have to prove that this is true here. 5 to the power of 2 times k plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 to the power of 4 times k plus 1 plus 2 is divisible by 9. So we rewrite this as 5 to the power of 2k plus 2. Sorry, plus 3. And that is plus 2 to the power of 4k plus 6. Now remember, when we're always doing these, we're always going to get back to the original equation. And that original equation was 5 to the power of 2k plus 1 plus 4 to the power of, or 2 to the power of 4k plus 2. So we want 2k plus 1 here. So that is the same as 5 squared times 5 times 2k plus 1 plus 2 times, well, we want 4k plus 2. So that's 2 times, or 4 times 2 to the power of 4k plus 2. And that is equal to 25 times 5 to the power of 2k plus 1 plus 16 times 2 to the power of 4k plus 2. Now what we want to do is we want to get this kind of in brackets here, because this term here and this term here, when they're added together, that's going to be a factor of 9. So what we really want to do here is you want to change this term on the left hand side to 16 plus 9. So we write that as, we know if we have, before I start that, a times x, that's equal to 6x plus 2x. That's pretty obvious here, but that's what I'm going to do right here now. So I'm going to rewrite this term here, so it's going to be 16 times 5 to the power 2k plus 1 plus 9 times 5 to the power 2k plus 1 plus 16 times 2 to the power 4k plus 2. Now what we're going to do here, we can take 16 out as a factor, so that is perfect. So it's 16 into 5 to the power 2k plus 1 plus 2 to the power of 4k plus 2. And that is divisible by 9. And then we have plus 9 times 5 power 2k plus 1. Now what we can do here is kind of prove the that, but just to finalise things. We know that this is a factor of 9, because we've just assumed it's true. So just let that equal to 9a. And this is also 9 multiplied by another term, so that's equal to 9b. So we have 16